Okay, in this video I'm going to create an annotation keynote. And to do that, I need to create a new annotation family. So I'll go to File, New Family, Annotation, and select the generic annotation family. Once we have our family open, we can delete this this text note that comes with it. And now we can begin creating our annotation symbol. And to do that, we need to create an annotation symbol. We need to go to the Create tab on our ribbon, go to the Label tab, select it, and select the midpoint of the two cross arrows. At this point, I'm going to go to my selection of my parameter properties. It's going to be a family parameter, and the name can be whatever you want. It's going to be an instant parameter, and the data is going to be text. So I've created 3 parameters. You can create however many you want, but in this case I only need 3, and one of them I'm going to customize for the project that I need to work on. Note text is going to be whatever text that's associated with the number. It could be like a 1 inch cold water up or cold water down. It could be anything. And my sheet number is the sheet that the text is going to go on. And I'm going to say OK to this. And we have our note number customized. Be sure to save your annotation family that you just created, and what I've done, I've saved as, I'm going to use 2024 Smart Sheet Note _3. So once you've done that, once you've saved your annotation symbol, you can, and you're back onto your sheet, you can go up to your ribbon tab where Annotate, which makes sense, and you want to bring in that symbol, okay, your annotation symbol. And you go over to the right hand side on your ribbon, select the annotation symbol, and here it says there's a center line, but you don't want that one. You want the one you just created, and mine was sheet note 3, okay, and it's that one. So I'm going to bring it in and pop it right there. Escape a couple of times. So now that we have our symbol on our drawing view, this annotation is going to be used so I can use this particular annotation as part of my sheet notes. Okay, let's go over just a couple of things. So the note number is going to be, I'll call it 3. And the 3 is going to show up here. And the rest of this I can fill out. That's the text number. This is the note text. And it can be, say, a 1 inch cold water down. Let's use DN. And the sheet number is going to be, say, P100. Okay. So you use, after you've created your annotation symbol, you can use that symbol as a sheet note. Okay. So I hope that helps, and I will talk to you guys later.